We're in San Clemente and we're going down to the pier to eat lunch. So seafood, it's time for some seafood. And the restaurant opens in a few minutes. So we're gonna be probably the first ones to get there. But we will enjoy every bit of it. And look at this stunning view from here. Beautiful. And Casa Romantica, where we just came from, is right there. So look at the surfers. You can smell the beach, right? Do you smell the beach? And here's where we're going. We're going to Fisherman's Restaurant and Bar. Okay, and here is the restaurants from outside. And you know, you see the painters everywhere over here. Look at this lady as well. She's painting. There was another one on Casa Romantica, painting as well. Already, we're about to get in a restaurant, and here is the pier. A lot of people today. And here is the lunch. We got some raw oysters, a seafood cocktail, and this nice sourdough bread. Enjoy it. Thank you, Ina, again. Okay, we're walking in a pier, San Clemente Pier. We just had one beautiful and great lunch, and now we're just gonna walk for a while and see what everybody is doing here. Then head down the road. We'll see you later. Surfers are trying to catch a wave, but it's just not as, easy for them. So they're pretty much swimming. But eventually they will catch one. Here comes one. He's watching the fish. Look at the fish. Watching it. Lots of fishermen here. This is so relaxing for them to just stare at the ocean and try to catch a fish. It's amazing. And look at all their gears, whatever they use to attract the fish and the fish balls. And you know, you can take your own umbrella and a chair and sit here and enjoy this beautiful weather. So refreshing, so cool, like it's not even summer. Look at the little dove over here and a bunch of mussels. on the ground. These are mussels. I guess somebody caught them. I love San Clemente Pier. I really do love it. And look at the surrounding. Look at the view from the pier. I mean, how can you not like this? It's beautiful. And the doves. Hi, doves.
When you saw me, I was when you went up.
Oh, see?
Yeah, yeah.
Lots of birds flying around.
Yeah.
We came this far.
Okay, let's go all the way to the end of the pier. A little place for snacks. And doves everywhere. Here, chess. If you have your players, then you can play chess here. How cool is that? And you can hear the birds, the doves singing away. Look at all these doves. I guess they're attracted because here are the sinks where the fishermen watch the fish. And they're not even worried, they're scared. Look at that. And more on this side. So here is the end of the pier. And they say do not feed the birds. Okay, ready to head back now? Okay, we're heading back towards the city now. No, this is
Why I want?